Philips Audio Fidelio B97 TV soundbar with wireless subwoofers and detectable surround speakers, 7.1.2 channels, 888 watt cinematic Dolby Atmos, IMAX Enhanced, DTS Play, fire and voice control. This TV soundbar 7.1.2 fills any room with rich soundtracks and thunderous effects. Place the detectable speakers from the ends of the soundbar behind you. Create a true sound setup. With this soundbar Dolby Atmos, your movies will sound breathtaking, realistic. The soundbar for TV is certified IMAX Enhanced. It delivers any audio experience that truly takes you to another world. With DTS Play on this soundbar with subwoofer, you can create multi-room audio setup. Play music through a soundbar smart by using Alexa-enabled devices or speakers that work with Google Assistant. With this soundbar with wireless subwoofers, you can stream music from your mobile device via Spotify, connect Apple AirPlay to or Bluetooth. 4K pass-through lets you connect 4K HDR video source included in delivery. Philips Fidelio B97 soundbar with wireless subwoofers, detectable surround speakers, remote control battery power, called quick start guide, worldwide warranty, leaflet and power source drive, corded electric.